Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. So I am here to share with you some super cute summer rosette embellishments that I've created. And you know me, I like to have these embellishments ready for me to use on projects. And so the paper collection that I use, which I found out that although I have a lot of paper pads, but I don't have very many summer paper pads. So this is the one that I use. I didn't want to use like a mermaid or something like that. I wanted something that really screams like summer beach, you know, and fun. And so this is what I found, and this is from the Dear Lizzie collection called Happy Place. And as you can see, the patterns are really cute and fun. So this is the paper collection that I used along with ScrapDiva Designs. Now a lot of these dies I use like the accessories that come with the die sets, and then these are just extras that I had. But look, I wanted to show you this, you guys. Look at these sandals. Oh my gosh, they are so cute. And I cut them from the paper collection, plus I used foam. Look at that, so cute. So those sandals, you can find it in the stand bucket. And then also the stars. I think the stars are so cute, and I love it because it embosses all the little circles. So, and then there's the top of the sandals. So that's what I used. And then here is the rose petal flower die set. That's what I did. This is the die set to make these really pretty flowers. And then I added some stickles to those. And then I also use from the bathing suit collection, I use actually the words plus the small bathing suit. I don't know if I have an extra one in here. Let me check. I think I probably used, no I don't. And look, those are the words. So these words say summertime and fun. And of course, I use this collection right here, the word die sets. Really, I really like this one a lot. And obviously, this is the main die that I use, which is the rosette. This is the heart rosette. It has a scalloped edge plus the hearts. And then it comes with two hearts. It comes with this bigger heart and then this like medium-sized heart. From this one, I literally only used the second to smallest oval shape. I only used one. And I did add, when I shared these, I shared one of the bows, and I did add the smallest bow. Here is the larger bow. Really pretty. I didn't make it how it's supposed to be made. I just added 2 layers to it. So here is the die set. This is what you get. You get the 2 hearts plus the 2 plates, which cuts the rosette out. And the width of this, I believe it's about 2 inches. Oh, it's 2 3/4. After I ran this through the machine, then I went on my trimmer and I cut it down the width, either 1 inch or 1.5 inches. So that's what I did with mine. So you have options of making this the true size, which is 2 3/4, or you can cut it smaller. So this one right here is cut at about 1 3/4, which comes out to the full circle would be 3.5. So this is a pretty large rosette. And then using that same die set, you look at all of these different sizes that I got from it. So I just wanted to point that out really quickly. You don't have to just stick with the one size. So here is the first rosette, and I think it looks so cute. Look at that, all that, and I love all that dimension. That the watermelon is from the paper collection, and you can see the starfish and the sandals and the word sun. So there's that one. And then here's another one. This one's with the bathing suit, and this one says fun. And then let's see what else. This one I made it somewhat simple. That one says summer vibes, and I added a couple of the flowers. And then this orange is also from the paper collection, which I fussy cut. And you can see more of the starfish. I think I added a starfish to almost all of these rosettes. Now here is the one where I used the oval one. And even though it's cardstock, and you know that cardstock, it's pretty thick paper, it cut it out really nicely. And that one says vacation time. The time is from the bathing suit die collection. And then I added the bow on top, and then a flower and a couple of these stars. So pretty. And then here is another one with a bathing suit. That one says summertime. More flower, another flower and another starfish. And then last but not least, here is the last one. And then that one says beach. I was supposed to put the time here, like beach time, but I think beach was enough. And there are my rosettes, you guys. I love the way they came out. I think they're so cute. So thank you so much for watching, and as always, I will have link to ScrapDiva Designs in the description box. And don't forget to check out these awesome dies, you guys. Thank you all for watching, and hope you all are having an amazing day. Bye everyone.